Hello everyone. This is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. Today my topic is default initialization in Java. Default initialization in Java. To every to every uninitialized variables. Default initialization is to every uninitialized variables. Compiler will provide default initialization at compilation time. To the uninitialized variables, compiler provides default initialization at compilation time. Default initialization is applicable to default initialization is applicable to non-static and static variables. Default initialization is applicable to non-static and static variables. Default initialization is not applicable to function local variables. Default initialization is not applicable to function local variables. Default initialization means without initializing any value to the variable, zero value is assigned to by compiler. That is applicable to non-static and static variables. Now I am taking one example on default initialization. Open Notepad. Class D class ddemo1 ddemo1 open bracket means flower brackets. See, D is a capital letter in the class name, remaining all small letters. Now open bracket int I comma j. These are non-static members or instance. Non-static members are also called as instance members. Okay. Now I am defining main method. Public static void main string args array. Open bracket. Now I am defining object. Open main ddemo object. Now I am defining ddemo object. ddemo 1 d1 equal to new ddemo1. This is the object syntax. Using class name, we will create the object ddemo1 d1 equal to new ddemo1. To create object, this is the syntax. Okay. Object creating and assigning to the reference variable. Object is creating and non-static members are loaded and value 0 is assigned. Then we will assign to the reference variable. See, in this diagram showing that only. Equal to 0, j equal to 0. Without initializing any value, compiler will be provide 0 at the time of compilation. 0 is default initialization. Object is load non-static members from bytecode to RAM at the time of compilation. Inside RAM, the program is going to execute the demo1 object. Okay, this is the diagram, object diagram. Main method is loaded at the time of execution. Okay, now I am printing data, non-static data, system.out using println, system.out.println. Println is a function d1.i. Next, system.out.println d1.j See, output will be 0. Without initialization, compiler will be provide 0. Now let us save the file. Save this program. Go to file menu. Click on save option. File, save or Control S. I am saving in D drive as ddemo1.java. We should save using class name only. I am saving in D drive. Save it. Okay. Open file location. Open file location. See, my file is saved in D drive. In that search box, type cmd to open console command prompt. Because to compile the Java program, to execute Java program, we should do inside the command prompt. Cmd, type cmd in the search box. Okay, now the syntax is java c class name dot java. To compile, that is machine understandable language, java c ddemo1.java. Now I want to execute my program java ddemo1. Default initialization is applicable. See, 0 0. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates.